Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by charging both earbuds to at least half so power interruptions won't break the procedure. Once charged, make sure Bluetooth on your Android is off and forget the earbuds from paired devices. This clears the phone's cache. Now, identify the multifunction or touch zones on each earbud and the case button. This is where you'll trigger the factory reset. Press with a steady rhythm, don't mash buttons. You're setting the stage to erase settings cleanly and avoid pairing conflicts. You now perform the actual reset. Press and hold both earbud buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs change behavior. This signals a reset command. Once done, press and hold the case button for 8 to 12 seconds if your model uses the case as the reset controller. Make sure to watch the LED patterns. Flashing white or a red/blue cycle usually confirms success. If lights behave differently, repeat the hold with firm, continuous pressure so the internal firmware receives the command. Once the reset completes, enable Bluetooth and pair the earbuds as a new device. Select them from the scan list and accept pairing prompts. If pairing doesn't work, reboot your Android and repeat the reset sequence. Sometimes residual cache blocks a fresh connection. Make sure the case and earbuds are charged and within close range. If you still can't connect after 2 attempts, the issue may be hardware-related. Contact the manufacturer or retailer, since a factory reset clears software settings but cannot fix physical faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.